listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to Upptalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say Upptalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
Yes, yesterday we were discussing about the OAuth configuration and concept and all. Now, today, what we are going to do? We are going to connect with the Ping thread, basically, and Ping directory. We are having a Ping directory system. We already have it. That is known as the gateway, we can say. First, let's connect with the Ping directory and let's sync the users to the PingOne. It's not syncing. It's basically like, what are the users there in the Ping directory? We will just pass it basically. That it will once authentication is done by the user. The first authentication will happen on the Ping directory password. Then it will store it in the PingOne. That kind of a syncing we can able to do it. Can we go to the integrations in the left hand side? We have seen application directory already. This is authentication we did. User experience and all we did. This is known as the gateway. Gateway is just a yelled up gateway. Normal gateway configuration only. Now here, just we need to register a gateway, that is Ping directory. It's only yelled up. Gateway means it's like you're going to create a, in Okta there is a gateway. It is there to connect to any kind of a directory system. Click on next here. Here, choose the type as yelled up. Type it should be Ping directory. Now, what is the host name? I think it's the same thing. TNI number. We can use the same stuff. You need to start the Ping directory service first. PD2, we are using connection security. We can go with the none, only that's fine. None only yes. Binding should be, that is skins equal to directory space manager and password. And as of now, save it. Just while giving this one, it won't work. We need to download one agent and install where we have installed the Ping directory. Correct. You can use the password and save it as of now. These are all. It will take just 1 or 2 minutes only. As of now, save it. Yep. Now here what we are going to do. Copy these credentials and paste it in the Notepad++. This is much important because when you click on done, that's all it will be invisible. Just save it as of now. Just hold on a minute. Now here, in this one we got the credentials. Now, can you go to the connection? We need to establish a connection first. Now here, what is we have already configured it. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do one more step. Can you click on the download first? Other details we will do it later. First, let's download it. Other details in the sense that attributes are not. Those details are not. Download that gateway bundle from here. There is a link. Now sign on to the support portal using legacy credentials. Yes, I think you already have it. Is it downloaded now? What happened? You should. Maybe click here again. Can you go to that PingOne again? Click there. PingOne console. Click. Oh, what happened? Again, it's asking to sign on. You already have a sign on. Can you go back? No, not this one. Can you go to the PingOne again? Here, legacy credentials only. You need to use it. Sign. Now I think it's good. Now I think you are already logged in. Now can you go again and click here? I think now it should work. It will download automatically. I think it will download again. Is it downloading? It is. Just scan, you extracted that one place here. It's because we have installed the Ping directory here only, where and all you have installed the Ping directory there. You need to put this gateway. Now here, can you just open the Just give me 1 minute. Now here in this one, we already extracted it. Can you open that gateway again? Open that, double click on it. Here, if you see that bin, can you open the bin folder? You have a run command. Don't run it as of now because no, don't run it as of now. I'll just tell you. Now here, in this one, can you go back one step? Can you go to the config? In that config, there is a run.property file is there. Can you just click edit with Notepad to select? We just have to copy paste that credentials. Now here accept enterprise license agreement is there. Next line credentials. Can you copy and paste it, please? This token. That is the credentials. PingOne. Copy that and paste it there. Now remove that. Insert me. And then I get on. No, remove that for like. That's fine. This is fine. No, everything is good. Now if you scroll down and save it. That's all. Is it safe? I'd say this is fine. Now close this run.property file. This is how we can able to install the gateway. Now can you open the command from run as administrator? Run that command that run.back. Or we can do one thing. Open that command from run as administrator. Let's install the service. That we can stop it. Start it from the backend service itself. Run as administrator here. cd run as administrator. No, you need to run as administrator. I think there is some lag. Can you go back to the folder? Can you go to the folder first? One step back, then folder. Can you open the Windows folder again? Here, copy that. See this, paste it and install the service. Install iPhone service. Can you go to that service, run the services from there in the backend? Refresh. There is a gateway service should be there. PingOne is there. 2 lines later, after 2 to 3 lines. Once it is running, can you go back to the PingOne and refresh the page? It should have to show that red color option. It should not come. That means PingOne and Ping directory is in sync. Oh, what happened? Still, it's not showing. Can you click on view? Why? Can you go to the connection? Why it's still? Oh no, it's good. Great. Now, can you go to the lookup? We need to look up the users from the PingOne to the Ping directory. You need to give the DC equal to example, DC equal to comment. Click on plus user type. You can put some maybe LDAP or something like that. Maybe you can use the default values. If you use default values, automatically it will take the details in the top hand side. A select password authority. That is your Ping directory only. It will take the Ping directory password and put it. No Ping directory, that is LDAP. It will take it from there and put it inside your PingOne. Wait. Can you go back? Now what is the base? Tin and D is equal to example. Command is equal to count. Don't enable that. Password changes from PingOne. Let it be there. Or if you want, in this, we are going to change from there also. That's check that box also if needed. Now here, these are all, it's fine. Migrating the new user upon. See if you scroll up. Migrating enable migration of new user upon from first authentication. Not before that. Normally, usually with the sync population will be after first authentication. Only not after. Not before that. And where you are going to store, which container you are going to store the user. Now choose the population people. Now here. And what are the attributes? You can see it. Username is UID. Email address is mail. In the hand side, that's a Ping directory attribute. Left hand side, PingOne attribute. I think these are all the mandatory attributes. It's fine. Save it. That's all basically. Now we got the gateway. What we can do if I want to use the gateway for authentication mechanism also. Maybe in the authentication also, if I want to use this Ping directory LDAP gateway. Can you go to the policy? You need to add that one. The left hand side, authentication and policy. The connection has been established. The attributes and everything is fine. Now go to the authentication and policies in the left hand side. The policy which we have created. I think login policy is something we have created. Here in this one. Eat it. You can add the. Here in this one in the left hand side, add gateway. User type is also there. That means those users also will automatically go in. Scroll down and save it. That's all. Now just try to access sales or any connection which is using this policy. And then let's see whether this user is automatically moving to the PingOne or not. We have a groups and all. I can understand. Oh, this many users. Oh, we used a lot of users. Why it's not working? Why it's not matching or something? It is not matching. See, now it's matching. Now it's matching. Go. Try to log in. Use the .0 and password. Please be careful here. The password. No user .0. Not user 0. Now it's working great. Oh, we don't have the MFA. Oh, that is having the MFA. We need to go to the sales service portal and add the MFA for that one. No, that's fine. That's fine. That means authentication is going on. Can you go to the sales service portal? In the left-hand side environment, and then you can go to the sales service. Now log in with user.0. Now it should work, and then the user profile also will be available in the PingOne also. This is we can able to do it proper way. Add MFA, go to the authentication. If you want, you can add the MFA. See, all the attributes are coming up. It's picked up everything. Just add the passkey as of now. That's easy to add. That one, we are having email or something. I think mail also it will send. I have given Gmail. Now mail also says some tipping the ping. And not here, users directory users in the top. Check. There is one more user should be available. This kind of a syncing also, we can able to do that basically. Clear on this one. This is one case. And how you can able to connect to Ping Fed. Here, you are not going to sync the Ping Fed to PingOne. You can able to connect the PingOne to the Ping Fed. That you can consume the services of PingOne in the Ping Fed. In the left hand side again, integrations, Ping Federate integration is separate. Click on that one. Ping Federate. Ping directory. We have seen this is Ping Federate. Click on add connection here. Ping Federate. You can put PIF you can put. That's fine. And save it. You will have one credentials. Save it as of now. Now copy the credentials here. Can you go back to the... Where is it? Not here? You can put it in somewhere here itself. Now log into the Ping Federate and upload that one. Two minutes now. Now, this is one case. Can you go to the PingOne? And also we have a Google identity provider we saw. In that custom identity provider also we can do. That is your Ping Federate as a custom identity provider. PingOne will redirect to PF for authentication. No, let it be there. This is fine. Can you close this one? Sorry, I think we didn't give the access, sorry. The Ping Federate, you need to give the 1 minute. Those are water. Log into the console here. Oh, the license key. You have a new license key, or I think you already logged in. We can directly get the new license key. Open another tab, just typing for downloads. Let's get a new license key. And of course, a new license key in the top. Manage license keys, you can go. The next step. Create a free license key here. Once you upload the license key, choose a file. Double click on it. Save it as of now. Now this is done. Refresh the page, please. Now, can you go back to the like system again? In the system, in the left-hand side, external systems, click on PingOne. Add a connection and copy and paste it. That's all. It's automatically coming up. Save it. That's all. This is how you can make a communication between PingOne to Ping Federate. And also this is one case. Now here there is one more case is that, for example, let's say we are using Google Identity Provider. We are using the Google Identity Provider. Same way we can customize the Ping Federate as the IDP to the PingOne. That when PingOne is trying to authenticate, it will redirect to the Ping Federate for authentication. Ping Federate is connecting with Ping directory that you can use user.0 in the Ping Federate login screen. Getting my point? Can you go back to the PingOne? This is also an external identity provider only. Someone else will do the authentication. We are sharing the information to the PingOne. Here external IDP. Click on that external IDP. The same way only. Already we created two. This is already. We created the auth. This is assignment. Scroll down, click on assignment. Yes, give name PF. Description PF, click on continue. But then those are all, it's fine. Now here, this entity ID and all. This entity ID you need to copy and put it inside the Ping Federate. You need to create a SAML connection inside the Ping Federate. This is PingOne service provider. Ping Federate is the identity provider. Getting my point? Signing certificate or not, this is none. Click on continue. Do you need to copy this? Copy that. Just continue, because first we need to configure the IDP information here. Just paste it in the notepad first. Now we have a metadata with us. Identity provider metadata. Ping Federate metadata. Can you go to the console Ping Federate? Let's get the metadata from any other connection application. P2. Take that metadata from there. Then we will have the PingOne metadata. We'll copy from there. You're getting my point. PingOne is S. Ping Federate is IDP. Choose the second one. That is the other side. Click on Next and say Export. Oh, it's correct on the export. Now can you go back and upload this one? It's easy. Simple. Just a file. Metadata and copy that the AC's endpoint and paste it in the notepad. ++ also. What is that? Wait. Why are you showing dot? Can you go to that? Why are you showing red color? Can you move the cursor? What value of SI endpoint? Must be absolute value. This is weird. It's asking .com. How come we can able to have the host image with .com absolute URL? This is weird. No. We can configure, but we need to have our system. We need to have the host name in our Ping Federate. Do we have a? Can we able to have multiple domain in the system? We cannot have it. No, we cannot. This is weird. This is the first time I'm seeing this kind of a different error. Absolute URL. Why it's not? Why is just host name is not working? It should have to work. Why it's not working this one? Put localhost. Let's see. I think this one will work. No, it's not working. If you put .internal or something like that. Let's see whether that .internal. It will work. Let's see .internal. Instead of .com, put internal. Internal is working. That's weird. See, this is totally weird. Why dot? Internal is working, but this is not working. It will redirect to a wrong URL, then it will give a problem in the host name. We need to find a way. Can you go open another tab? Just put how to change the host name of in a machine or add multiple host names in a machine. This, I can't change it. This is official laptop. Sorry. That one. No, it's an alias only. We can add alias. Like extra. One more extra. I don't think I can add them. but you understand the concept, what you are trying to do here. Do you have any step-by-step talk on this? I will try, and different laptop step-by-step is there. In the PingOne, there is official document itself, it is there. Not for PingFed, I'm saying, but for custom SAML, the steps are easy. In PingFed, you have to create a SAML connection, like Salesforce. The entity ID is, surely you are getting it from here itself. A SAML subject should be your whatever the user ID. That is what here. The next step is the SAM subject. Just put .internal. Click on next. Just save and continue. This configuration as of now will create it in Ping Federate and PingOne also. Even though it's not going to work, but let's complete the configuration. See that username. A SAM attribute will be that is your subject. Getting my point? If you want any other attribute also from the SAM attribute, it will add in the PingOne. Save and finish. Now we have completed it. Now can you go to the PingOne connection here? Copy the entity ID and the SXOL into the notepad. Please. Copy that entity ID. The first one, that is your entity ID. It is the wrong one. Oh, the next one. You can copy the ASXXOLL and paste it here. Not here in the PingOne console. ID configuration. Can you click on that one? You will see the ASXOL. Because this is the application as SPS endpoint we need. Because to configure in the PingFed. You just have to create a SAML connection in the PingFed. Can you go like a test sp1? We did like a same kind of a connection. We can duplicate that one also, basically. Can you go to the PF with the same kind of certificate? Can you go to the application and SP connection? With the HTML form adapter. Maybe test sp1 we can do. Just create a copy of this one. Select action. Put a change, only the entity ID, SAML subject, and then the ASXOL. That's all. Everything else will stay the same. Entity ID you copied in the notepad. Just copy and paste it here. This is a test sp11 or something. No, you have that. You copied it from PingOne. See, this is a PingOne entity ID. Like a Salesforce entity ID we have created. That one. Again, connection name, also you can put the same thing. Click on next browser, SO, because the SAM subject we need to change. I think only one. No other attributes. Click on next. Click on next. Browser SO. Normally how we are creating a SAML connection? The same way. There are a lot of attributes are there. We don't need the first name. Remove the first name and SAM subject should be UID. It's going on the OpenDJ. I think we have to change it to OpenDJ. You want me to click on here? No, scroll up first. Remove the first name. Scroll up in the attribute section. Scroll up. Scroll up. The first name. Remove the first name. We don't need that. Click on next. Authentication source. Bumping HTML. Is this an adapter we are using or HTML form we are using it? HTML adapter we are using. Oh, are we using this one or HTML from Arisha? Click on that HTML adapter. Let's see. Here you are already connecting to data. We don't need that. Just scroll down. Scroll down that 7 subject. Instead of mail, put user ID UID. SAML subject should be adapter UID in the left hand side. Adapter UID. Because we are getting it from the C. This is not an adapter. That is HTML form. We have created it. Cancel this. Cancel this authentication source bumping again. Let's delete this one and add that different mapping HTML adapter. HTML form. Click on next. I think. See this where we are having the details. Next adapter UID and click on next for the ACI, same point. Next done. No, this is not required. Not required. It is not required. Yes. Click on next done. Now here, this is completed. Now click on next. Protocol settings will be done only. Scroll down done. And the next one is the protocol settings. Next one, protocol settings. Configure it, change the ACI same point. This is because of the ping fed at endpoint. Edit and paste it. That's all. This is how you can able to configure it. Getting my point? How we are using the Google IDP, the same way you can use the ping fed IDP. This is the customized to SAML configuration. Save it as of now. That's all. Others are not, will stay the same. This is how we can able to now. Can you go back to the policy and add that? Not here in the PingOne. Go to the policy in the login policy which are having it. Add this along with the existing identity provider. It's too simple. Like just creating a Salesforce connection. That's all. Here in the hand side, add the provider. I think in the top. Oh, it's not. Oh, we didn't enable it. Can you go to the integration and external IDP? Did we add the enabled it? You didn't enable it. And now you can. After you enable, you can go and uncheck it. It should work. Check now. Now it's coming up. Now save it. That's all basically. This is we can able to do the difference. Clear on this one. Now you can read it into SAM now. So now just a normal application. See, normally we are using, normally we were using that. What we can say? Normally we were using the Google Identity Provider. It's redirecting to Google Identity Provider for authentication. Similarly, it will redirect to the Ping Federate. That's all. In Ping Federate, you have a login screen, HTML form and all basically. It will throw the login screen. Ping Federate is connecting to Ping directory. User tour, if you are using it, it will work and then it will authenticate. Getting my point? For that extra identity provider only, we are using it. That's all. Clear on this one? This is also one of the external identity provider here in our system and also in the left hand side. Can you go to the monitoring? In the top. Here if you can go to the MFA, you can go to the dashboard, not the dashboard, sorry, I'll audit. In the audit only, we will have the logs. Any logs, you can able to search it here. You can able to see each and every user details basically. You can search for any days. And filter type. You can put filter type username or email address and all. Now in the top, filter type. This kind of username and all. Everything will be there. Client ID. User ID is different. Not that normal one like this one. You can search it and then you can troubleshoot it. Mostly we won't get much issues. But suppose if this log is not enough, if you are feeling it's not enough, you can able to reach out to the PingOne vendor, Ping vendor, and they will give you one more access, like a Flunk access or something like that, or Kibana access. You can go to that one and see much more logs. They won't give it for free. In real time, they will be giving it. They will. It's like much more like a SAML server.log and audit.log we saw in Ping Federate. It looks like that one. Much more like they will be giving it when you are purchasing it. They will give it, for normally they will give it. It's like a kind of a Kibana logs. The audit and server. It's not like audit and server. You just have to search with. They will give you examples. You can search with either UID or mail or mobile device. Anything you can able to search it. It will give the details. That is what the PingOne. Suppose if you want to push the logs to your own Splunk also in the left-hand side integrations. There is a concept called webhooks. In the webhooks, you can reach out to the Splunk team, and in Splunk also you have a cloud system. On-premises Splunk, it won't work here. Cloud Splunk, only it will work in your Splunk team. You will have a destination URL from the Splunk team. Destination URL and then the certificate from Deb means you can get the certificate and the URL for the Splunk cloud system. And what kind of a format you want to use in the drop-down. Can you go to the drop-down? The hand side. Not here. It's a Splunk only. New Relic is also another different product. The format should be Splunk. And then the destination URL is the cloud system URL of your Splunk. And if you reach out to the Splunk team, you will have a certificate also. Get the service from them and upload it here. And what kind of logs you want to forward. If you scroll down, you can check whatever the logs you want to forward. Basically, you can forward everything. If you scroll down, this is simple. Like Splunk endpoint and then the certificate, that's all. Other than that, nothing. Here you can choose what kind of a population you want. All applications. You are going to do it. Not one or two applications. All applications, logs you need to forward and all populations you need to forward. All population, obviously both of them. And also event types. Event type. Event types you need to choose. Mostly choose everything. In the drop-down, you can choose everything. It will forward all the things to the Splunk. And if you need extra data like IP address, if you want to include, you can include it. And include user agent also means you can include. Extra details will be available in the Splunk also. This is just an extra. By default, Ping is having their own system, that is Kibana. In that Kibana Elastic, They are having this already. They are having it. If you are purchasing it, they will give it automatically. You can search the logs from there itself. Suppose if you don't want that, you want Splunk also in your organization, you can get it and upload it. Understood. This is known as the webhooks. If Ping is supporting means this is not from our side. That is Ping. They are taking care of it now. Everything is taken care by the Ping itself. Suppose if you are going this way, you getting my point. If you are going this way, PingOne for advanced services or PingOne this services, SO services are all. These are all mostly taken care by the Ping itself. If you need any more customization or any more, which apart from the console means definitely you can reach out to the Ping vendor and get all the details. Getting my point. Basically, these are the like audit and we need to have one more. Can you go to the monitoring again? The alerts are important. We are having the SMTP already. SMTP is already there. Alerts are important. What kind of alerts we need? Create alert. This is where, in Ping Fender, we did the same concept, if you remember. The certificate expiring or certificate expired. And gateway version is there. There is a gateway version, is there. Suppose that gateway version is done. This out of support means that kind of alert also. You will be getting it. License expired, license expiring, license rotate. And key pair expiring, that is your certificate in a PX format. And data quality issue, those are not required. The major one is the certificate expired expiring, key pair expiring expired, and then the gateway version license. And obviously user license limit. Suppose how many number of users in your organization. Whether it's going to near or it's already exceeded means that kind of a notification also. You'll be getting it. You're getting my point. First one is approaching the user license limit. How much limit you can have it? How much kind of environment you can create? There is a limit when you are purchasing it. That limit gateway version out of support. Now there is one version going on. Suppose if they gave an update later. The old version is going deprecated or the old version is going to stop. Use means that kind of notification also. You'll be getting it. Similar case and number of users basically. There is a user license limit expired or exceeded. Then certificate expired. Certificate expiring like 15 days or something like that. That one key pair expiring. Key pair expired. And also like license expired, license expiring, but the other data quality. It will analyze the data. What are the quality of your data available in the PingOne? And check if there is any kind of unnecessary information which is available in the PingOne means it will send a notification. See, this kind of quality is not good or this data is having some kind of a mismatch or something like that. They will inform you and a suspicious traffic is the thing, but it will analyze your geolocation. Suppose if the user is trying to access from unknown sources or something like that, which they don't want to suppose to use, it means that kind of traffic, if they analyze it is suspicious means, then you will get a notification. These are all you need to have the SMTP and what email address. You have to configure it here. Maybe in your organization, if your DL, if you give it means to that mail address, it will send it. Most of the thing is that certificate expired and then the key pair expired and license expired. These are the three things. That is what I mean, obviously, like expiring also 30 days before or 15 days before also we will get it. Getting my point? The same thing which we did in the Ping Federated. The extra one is that it will analyze the quality of your traffic. Plus, it will analyze your data also. Getting my point? Hello. Aditya, are you there in the call? Yes, sir, I got it. Is it just a normal one? It's a basic configuration only. In the mail address, only you just have to separate with the comma. Or if you put the DL, that's enough. That's also good. That is our wish only. DL also, it's fine. Or even you can also put like a comma and then put all the email addresses. Clear on this one? This is how we can able to have the PingOne system. And 1 minute. The link. I think you have already the PingOne document link. I think your book box somewhere in your machine. Can you check that one? The PingOne document link. One document, 1 minute. Whatever we did. It's like a step-by-step process. Well, it's not have, you don't have it. Just give me 1 minute. Let me reset it again. I think you tried to access one time. If you remember, we saw one time. One minute. Just let me put it in the chat. Yes, I put it in the chat. This is the official document. Whatever we did step-by-step process. Each and every policies, and we created a like SAM application. What application? How to create those things, and all it will be available here in this doc link itself like a step-by-step process. Step 1, step 2, like that. And also 1 minute. Yeah. There is one API. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Ping ID we have already configured, or no, sorry. What I didn't get it. Ping ID integration we have done. Ping Federate or Ping ID? No, Ping ID integration is not required here. We don't need that. Ping ID integration means you will have log into the Ping ID console if you want. You need to create another environment here. You want to connect to Ping Federate or something. Simply, I need to check how Ping ID will work. A Ping ID configuration works. Ping ID now. They changed the configuration. They changed the console. Can you go to the how Cisco do you know? Can you go to the Ping one here? Here, create another environment in the top. In the top, instead of stage SO in the left hand side. No, you have the stages. Create another environment. You have chosen Ping1 plus Ping1 MFA. Instead, choose another environment plus symbol. You can build your own solution. Scroll down Ping1 SO Ping ID, you can choose it. That's only already choosing it. Click on Next. Scroll down and save. Click on Next. and give some name. This you can give ping ID environment or something like that. This is sandbox only. Some generate sample population. If you want, you can choose it. Scroll down and finish. That's all. Now here you will have a ping ID. Instead of PingOne MFA, you'll have a ping ID MFA. Just click on the ping ID. Go to that manage environment. Here the same thing, everything else. Everything will stay the same. But click on that ping ID in the middle. Scroll down. No, in the ping ID if you scroll down. Just click on it. Click on it. It will redirect you to the ping ID console. Here you can go to the setup. I think already saved the setup. Scroll down client integration. Now property file downloaded. This one, you can put it in Ping Federate integration with the Ping Federate. In the configuration, only you will have the properties of ping ID. The details about the ping ID. Wait. No, scroll. We'll go one by one. Here self-enrollment during authentication, that is enabled. The user can able to enroll themselves. How many devices here? Since you are using MFA using PingOne, we need to go to the PingOne MFA settings only. Maximum devices. Whether we need to device selection to be there, part of whether we need to prompt the user to select or defaultly automatically choose the primary device and all. Those are all managed at the PingOne level. Getting my point? We have MFA settings. We saw the same way can you go to the PingOne. I'll show you that one also. In a PingOne, we already saw that one in PingOne MFA. Here in the left hand side authentication MFA settings, you'll see that option. See maximum allowed devices are 3 only. That is what. Can you go back? In the ping ID. Ping ID. Where is that? If you scroll down. Again, similarly enable notification for new devices also. It is there in the policy only, PingOne policy. Most of the cases are managed at the PingOne itself. If you scroll down. 1 minute. Now if you scroll down, see here, SS voice and all. These are all managed at the PingOne level itself. Can you go to the PingOne? Let's see from there. That what kind of a devices in the left hand side MFA. Here what kind default MFA policy? Edit it here. You can able to see each and every system here. Mobile application means it's a user scroll up. This is user selected default. No notification or not. It is there. This is what. And if you scroll down mobile application means ping ID mobile application in your mobile phone. And what kind of a lifetime for those kind of stuff? Then email. It won't be available because that is not available for free. It is disabled. If you want, you can also enable that email. And secure if you do. They are going to remove that. Now FIDO authentication is not there for the ping ID in real time. That is an issue going on. Even for me, in Ping Federate also, we are using Federate is not working for the Ping ID product. Inside of Ping ID previously, it was having FIDO biometrics like by using the fingerprint sensor and all it was working. But now it's not working. They are going to deprecate. They are going to stop the usage. Instead of that, there is a different method will come. We don't know. UB. Those are all they have stopped. They have stopped those kind of stuffs. UBK and all, it is not going to work. Instead, you will have the Windows Hello method. That is a new method. Windows Hello method. That is what the new one Fido 2. That is what. These are the settings. Now how we can able to integrate Ping ID with the Ping Fido? You download the setup file. Can you go to the Ping Fido console? Fido. Yes, here in this system. Can you go to the authentication on IDP adapters? Let's create a Ping ID adapter. It's an adapter only. You are going to create a Ping ID adapter. Getting my point? Got. Type will be Ping ID adapter. It's a simple one. How you did the Cisco door, you do an adapter. The same way instead. Cisco, though you have copy-paste client ID secret in one by one. Here, you just have to copy-paste the file directly. Choose the file which you have downloaded, the property file. Yes, that's all. Click on next. And here also it's a subject only. Because that is a subject is the mandatory one. Because here also there is no username. Because it's not a first factor adapter. It's not going to get the user to type the username and password. We need to pass the username from HTML form adapter to the Ping ID adapter, like Cisco do. Click on next. Pseudonym is a subject basically here. Click on next and save it. That's all basically. I think we have a composite adapter or something like that. Can you go to the composite adapter? Let's remove the Cisco though. Let's add this one. Inside the composite, choose the ID pair after here. Remove the Cisco though. Map the Ping ID. No, you need. Save. No, you need to do the target mapping. Target adapter should be in the next line. Input user ID mapping because you need to pass the username to the Ping ID adapter target Ping ID user. Update and save it. That's all basically. Any application which is using this adapter. Maybe Salesforce or anything else. Not many. Maybe take one. Take one application SP1. In the SP1 instead of the HTML, you can map composite directly. Authentication source mapping. You can remove that HTML adapter. Yes, delete it and map composite. That's all. Ping ID. Everything is same. It's too straightforward. Add adapter and add the values. Now you need to pass the attributes in the response adapter. User ID. First time. That's all. Give an email. Click on next and save it. Now try to access this one. First time when you try to access it. You will get the test type SP1. Try to access. Now you can try to access. User 0 you can put in current Windows. First time when you try to access it, you will register for Ping ID. I think we are connecting to PD2 only. Euro 0. It's going on. CSV directing to Ping ID for MFA. First time you are trying to access, it will ask you to register. It will register here. Now you can able to give the pairing. You have a laptop with you. You have a mobile phone with you. Just install the Ping ID mobile application and scan the secure code. How you did the Cisco though? The same way. There is no difference and all. Clear on this one. This is known as TeamPay. PingMFA. That's all. Once you register. What's happening? I think it loading. Is it loading or something? In a mobile phone, you're doing it. You should already showing this page. In mobile phone, you did it. Yes, it's correct. Oh, it should have to success here. Maybe refresh this page. Let's see. What happened? Can you try to access it again on one time? I think let's see. It should have to directly go to the Ping ID. See, now it's registered. Got it. I think there is some. It's some kind of response timeout. Did you get a notification in your mobile phone? See, this is the Ping ID. See that? Perfect. This is you can able to do the MFA system, Ping ID. Just hold on a minute. I will share one more document. You can also go through this document for the A, P. A is also basically. I put it in the chat. You can export it into the Postman and then you can have it. This one will have a step-by-step process also. The best of it. This one will have it. Or if you want to download or something like that. You can also use this from. You can have a full collection from here itself. There is one more document. Can also save that one. That is step-by-step process. This is a full collection. You can directly import it into the Postman. This is also one of the way. Clear on this one. I think we have completed the PingOne. With the Ping ID also, ping on MFA with Ping ID, F also basically, and pinging Federate as an identity provider also, basically, and also ping directly. That's the most important configuration, Ping Directory Sync, which we did. That's the important thing. But everything is simple. PingOne, if you see, or I'll see, that's the overall perspective. It's too straightforward. There is no difficult concept, and I'll see whatever it's there. For directory users or whatever, we are having it with the containers and the rows which we have discussed, and then the different type of applications like SAML or OAuth application, different grant types, even the Salesforce, the same thing. Whatever we did in Ping Federate, the same thing you are going to do. Only difference is that it's too much easy and straightforward. Plus, we are also having that extra concept like Google Identity Provider, and it's new. And the easy concept only. Just have to go OAuth contract, copy paste the client area, and put it in and authenticate. That's all. Similarly, Ping Federate IDP also. It's the same thing. Only difference. I think that .com is not. It is not. I think it is asking for a fully qualified hostname, it seems, but anyway, that's fine. The concept is same. And also ping directly, sensing the user. That's too straightforward. Because we already have the ping directly set it up, just via copy paste all the details and only the agent. These are all related to the Okta. In Okta also the same agent is there. You can connect to the ping directory or any other directory services you can do. Even I have connected to ping directly to the Okta by using the Okta gateway concept. And obviously the same other stuff like the login screen, template customization, the SMTP, the alerts, the same kind of stuff, whatever we discuss in Ping Federate. The same thing which is also there in the PingOne also. Getting my point? Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@upptalk.com.